Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant notifications every time someone likes your post on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable notifications for likes on Instagram with the latest update, so you can enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons. Click on the profile icon to access your personal settings. After your profile page loads, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it to enter the notification settings. Here, you'll see different types of notifications that Instagram can send you. What we want is to manage push notifications, so go ahead and select push notifications from the list. Now, you'll see a variety of options for different activities on Instagram. Find the section labeled Likes. This is where you control whether or not you receive notifications when someone likes your posts. To turn off these notifications, simply choose Off under the Like section. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for likes on Instagram while using your PC. From now on, you won't be interrupted by alerts every time someone taps that heart button on your posts. You can always return to these settings if you decide to turn notifications back on in the future. Taking control of your notifications is a great way to keep your Instagram experience distraction-free and focused on what matters most to you. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your quieter Instagram feed.